Well, we've been over a lot of Scotland looking for a house to buy, and we ended up back in Edinburgh. And we've purchased a property not far on the outskirts of Edinburgh.
It's actually about 5 minutes from where we actually first stayed when we came to Scotland.
So now, while everybody else is out enjoying the meadows and the castle and everything, Arthur's Seat, all that sort of stuff, we've been working on renovating the flat. So here's a little video showing you what we've been up to.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Just picked up the keys to our new house, so let's go in. Anyone home? Oh, I'm just going to go the other way. Got it. Ta-da! Let's be clear, this is not our dream home. It is going to need a lot of work, pretty much gutting, but that's the challenge that we wanted, so we're going to go. And it's a pity that doesn't have smell cam because
it reeks.
It reeks, yes. I think they must have had several pets in here.
Lots of squeaky floorboards, which I dare say the people below us will love. We'll just go room to room.
Michael and I could see the potential in this, in that the rooms are actually quite big. So we're hoping that we'll be able to, make a good fix-up of it and make a profit. Colour scheme in the kitchen is
awful.
That wasn't the word I was going to use, but probably a bit more polite.
Oh, this stinks in here.
Colour scheme in the bathroom is
awful. That's a screwdriver mark.
And the lounge room.
That milk chocolate teddy bear up there in case we're hungry.
Yes, there's some very interesting things.
Well, here we are, about to start in the kitchen. I think it's a good place to start. It's probably the place that's going to change the most. And that window just decided to close itself. So, here we go. We'll start with the cupboards, pulling them down.
The part of the reason why we started in the kitchen first is we've ordered a new kitchen, but they've actually just they're coming today to measure up. So we thought we may as well start here. Just going to give you a bit of a show of what's in these drawers. And what the floor looks like. And the walls. Probably the weirdest thing so far in this house, whatever this is. Actually add to that the lights with the blue tint. And this is the world's loudest clock, which is going right now.
A little bit of water leaking, but at least there's lots of shut-off valves.
Yeah.
And lift it.
You and me, right? Yep.
In here is our biggest achievement for the day. Pretty much pulled out the kitchen, all the cabinetry. Obviously still got the tiles to go and to work out the services and that sort of thing, but we're pretty pleased with our progress for today. Now I'll take you to the room that looks like we've made it even worse. This is currently our, where are we going to put that room? No, we're getting a skip, so we're going to, you know, everyone needs a kitchen sink in their lounge room. We're going to get a skip and put all our bits and pieces in. Michael's hand sanitising because there's been some interesting bits and pieces.
That's it.
But just to finish off our video for day one, done. Problem is I can't see because of my goggles. So a bit of an exciting day today. Here we are in our brand new kitchen. Well, of sorts.
A lot of work still to do.
But a lot of work has been done. So walls have been plastered. We're just going to do a bit of a sand. Obviously got to do a bit of a paint, even though that multicoloured wall is delightful. But best thing that's going to happen today is we're going to start actually assembling the kitchen, which is pretty exciting.
Yeah.
It's been sitting in the spare room for quite some time while we've been battling with wallpaper, electricals, plumbing, all manner of things. So this is what's going to be getting assembled today. We've got the fridge, the oven. Well, actually, we're not assembling them, but all of the cabinets and literally the kitchen sink. Been building a cabinet, working really hard on it to discover I put in the backing bit the wrong way. So now I've got to undo about 30 odd screws and things to, yeah, get it out, turn it around.
We're just trying to work out the layout.
And then the other piece, so let's say that, right,
Lots of discussion happening here.
this is the piece that we cut off here.
Yeah.
And then you use the other piece.
And
Then,
go that way, because that's going to be back, isn't
yeah.
it?
Right, so
Yeah.
So, we thought we had our kitchens done by Wren Kitchens. Apparently it's done by Noddy and Sons.
That's it.
Straight line. We won't even go down either.
This is an important or big step in our renovations. We have actually started to put the kitchen in. We have a working bench top and we have a few of the appliances in, not properly fixed. But the important one is we have a fridge.
Woohoo!
So
Which means we can have milk. And if we can have milk, that means we can have...
coffee. So that's what we're going to do today, just have a cuppa. This is the first time making a cuppa in our new flat.
Yay!
So, yay! Maybe some crackers. Well, we'll go with that instead.
Now he knows that mine is the blue cup. I'm quite particular about how I have a cup of tea. You got coffee or hot chocolate?
Might go hot chocolate today. Too much caffeine yesterday.
Bzzz.
I used to drink a lot of coffee, but I really reduced it to about 1 cup a day. Maybe 2 at a stretch, but yesterday I had a third one in the afternoon and that was just a little bit too much. I used to have 3 before going to work, so still a reduction.
So when?
Yeah.
Can't have a hot drink without.
Some bickies.
We've really embraced the British way. I don't know how you say them. They're the rip-off version of Biscoff.
Cheers.
Oh, do I?
Yeah, there's one there.
Oh, we're sharing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Because that'll be too hot.
What do they say when you've been really busy? Sometimes you just have to stop and smell the flowers. They do smell good.